alright. Somebody picked it. I think he withered. He got fried.
Wait, I see another.
Where?
Where?
Oh, right here, maybe. Look at black ants.
Dad, look.
Watch out there. Black ants over here.
Wait, do they bite?
Got teeth.
Let me guess, they bite. Wait, big black ants don't bite, right? Wait, Dad, are there ants in Texas like huge, like gigantic, like this big?
Watermelons?
No, like ants in like Texas. Gigantic? Or huge or small? Could you tell me?
It's freaking crazy ant.
What happened to it?
He just got on the thing.
Ants really think there's like a lot of things going on. Wondering what type of plant is this?
Don't pick up the certain plants. You don't want to break out.
Yeah, it could be ivy. Wait, Dad, ivy's like green. And
Yeah.
plants up.
Don't pick that up.
It smells weird. Almost
Look, look. Look at that little sprout. Gator.
Oh,
See it?
alligator. What? Oh, Dad, I see a nice sprout.
Yeah.
Give him some water. Yeah, you think my mosquitoes will try to sting?
Oh, we got to go. Just need to do this.
It's still hot. I'm thinking about doing some changes to this garden.
I'm already thinking about it.
All these little birds. Maybe I like a rain leaf. A huge, gigantic rain leaf. That kept us from the rain. And maybe to guide away from plants that are trying to grow. How about that?
You're drinking?
Yeah.
You gotta get quiet.
I hear it. What's all this red stuff?
It's from the onion.
Ew. Ooh, Dad, you think there's some beetles under
we
here?
got some eaters. Remember that dude said? The little eaters.
It could be squash bug.
Yeah, remember that?
Yeah, we should probably get something to pick it off before it eats our whole entire plant.
It's a leaf eater.
It could be caterpillars, because those are the...
Wait.
Spider! I just saw a spider!
And maybe saw something like that. Wait.
Dad, caterpillars are the known eaters to eat anything. So we better watch out for caterpillars, too.
Go back in the camera. Go back over there.
Oh! So what do I say?
I don't know. Say something.
Dad!
Tell them about the watermelon plant.
So here, guys, we have some watermelon plants. When we first started this, it wasn't real, actually. Here's the watermelon plants, guys. Now, you see this? It's what we took hard work and time.
Tell them, baby.
Yeah, so this is like a community garden we're like growing in. We have to cover it. We have to cover it
Here,
up.
stay right there. You gonna do it. Here, get right here and talk. Get over there and talk.
do changes, guys, and I have a few suggestions. Oh, you want to see our onion plants? So here's our onion plants. One of our onion plants quite withered. Really sad, but this one's trying to grow flowers here and here. Oh, you want to see our baby little watermelon plants too? So it's like small, but you can't see it because it's small, guys.
He's new.
Yeah, he's
What's his
new.
name?
I named him Alligator.
Gator, because his mouth is open.
Yeah. And guys, if you do mind, so this is like a community garden. We got some apples, we got some peaches, we have another peach tree, 2 apple trees, guys. And one of the peaches just
show the
fell.
peaches.
So here, guys, we like have like a watermelon plant too, but we have like an apple tree and like a peach tree. Guys, so the peach trees started off green, but now they're turning like ripe. So guys, if you do want to like follow our channel, like and subscribe.
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 Subscribe to our channel.
Look at my stuff over there, babe. And what else? Here's the peaches. They look like they're done.
Oh, it's showing the let's show them something. It's showing the lavender plant. So guys, I gotta show you one more thing.
No, this is
before-
stick to the peaches.
Guys, so these peaches are about to be ripe. We're thinking about doing something with them. That's why my dad's recording this, and he's gonna pick every last one of these peaches. But the high ones are hard to reach.
But I'm gonna still get them.
Yeah. So like and subscribe to our channel.